Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
This year, Ballet Cymru have got some really exciting dance courses. We have our regular Abergavenny Intensive, Wales Summer Dance Programme and our Ballet Associate Programme, and they run every year very successfully. And we also have some really new, exciting education work that we're doing. One is a project in Aberbargoed, which is a week-long project working with 110 students, and then we'll be performing in Park Cwmdarren. We work in a variety of schools in loads of different settings, inclusively with a range of participants, ages and abilities. It's something we're really passionate about here at Ballet Cymru. We've just thankfully employed this wonderful new full-time Access and Outreach Officer, Louise.
Hi.
So Louise will be helping me deliver our usual education work that we run annually, but also she will be looking more at how we can have even a further reach with our work.
I started working with the company from when I was very young, and I was doing the summer schools from when I was about 14 years old. So I've always had a connection with the company, and that grew stronger when I started doing a Paul Hamlin placement through Rubicon and Ballet Cymru, and that introduced me into community dance. And I currently lead the ballet sessions of the duets programme on behalf of Ballet Cymru. And that's what sort of introduced me into this role. It was a very obvious step for me to go from that into this position. It's just really great to be able to take that further and branch into new projects and hopefully a lot of new adventures.